So now for the second part, we're going to be doing the lower body again, but from the bottom view. So these 8 right here, these 8 circles. So go into Fusion, go to bottom view, like this. Go to create sketch and select the bottom face here. And then first you want to draw a rectangle and it says center rectangle. Select the origin, drag it out and make it 12 by 12. Press enter. And if you check your sketch, these circles are 10 millimeters in diameter. So select the corner of the square, drag it out and make it 10 millimeters and repeat the process for all 4 of them. Like that. Once you have that, now if you go back to this, we're going to be using a polygon that has 12 sides and it is 6 millimeters in radius. We want to go to line, turn on construction line because this won't be a part of our sketch. Go from the center of the circle to the left, and then from the left there, straight up, like this. And now you can draw your polygon. Turn on construction, select the center, drag it out. So first is 6 millimeters in radius and 12 sides. Then press enter. But before you do that, make sure this 6 point is lined up with this point here. So it's facing straight down, like that. And we repeat this process for all 4 of them. With the others, you don't need the line, as you can just line it up with this polygon, like that. So first, it is 6 millimeters and 12 sides. Perfect. Same for down here. Just line it up with that, like that. 6 millimeters and 12 sides. And one more, like this. 6 and 12. And make sure it's lined up, like that. And once you've done that, click on Finish Sketch. Then you want to go to Extrude, select the 4 circles, and then change the angle to -30 and change the distance to -10. Then press OK. You should get something like this. And next up, turn on sketch number 2 again. Now you want to go to Extrude again, select the 4 outside polygons and make it -20. Oh, that's the angle. -20 for the distance, like that, and change the operation to join. Then press OK. Turn off sketch number 2. You should get something like this. And then you want to use this tool called Fillet, and then select the following edges. So these, and do the same for all of them. Like that. And then you want to drag it in. Oh. Until it is 6 millimeters. If you get an error, you can go down lower to 5.9. So it'll become like this. And press OK. Look around, that's good. And that's your second part done.